All right, day 42, Thursday. We're wrapping up week 6, and tomorrow's Friday. That'll be their last day to get fed, and Saturday is the day we harvest them. So everyone's looking good. The bird size is really good. If I have to estimate, the bulk of them are probably around that 5.5 pound range, so live weight. So they're looking good. What do we do today? We just gave them some feed. Gave them some feed, water, and pulled them across the yard. And 2 more times they'll get drug across the yard, which will be perfect. They'll line up right next to the driveway in the garage, which will be, in close quarters to where we're going to do all the harvesting. So that's a wrap on day 42. We'll check back with you guys tomorrow. All right, good morning, everyone. It's the morning of day 43. Today will be the last day they get fed. As you saw, I just fed them now, and that was almost exactly 4 gallons what they've been going through every day. So still no casualties. I mean, what was it, day 2 and day 8 were the only times we lost birds. I can't figure out for the life of me why that bird on day 8 passed, but it happens. So we started out with 61 and we're down to 59. That's a pretty darn good mortality rate if you ask me. So, but yeah, today's gonna be the last day of feed, and it finished out perfectly on that bag. Everyone's active and looking good. I'm not seeing any injuries. We'll have quite the setup tomorrow. It'll be an all-day thing. I think actually even this evening I might try to work on a couple of them, try to get these systems set up for butcher day. So when I have people come over, I'll have little stations for them set up, and they can be more efficient that way in the harvesting process. So, but yeah, that's a wrap on day 43. I'll feed them one more time this evening. I'll probably feed them. Okay, bud. I'll probably feed them around 6 o'clock. That way, by tomorrow morning around 7 a.m., they should be pretty empty. I'll pull them one more time tonight, and I'll probably pull them again in the morning. And I know it's hard to tell, but I'm really close to my wood yard, and we're right next to the front of the garage doors. So it worked out really good. It'll be 44 days for these guys to get harvested. I'd say 55 of the 59 look really good. There's a couple scrawny ones, but you're gonna have that. That's okay. We'll probably just make those into whole birds, because little smaller chickens are really nice to smoke with the old beer can and the old beer can up the butt chicken. So yeah, it's a wrap on day 43. We'll check back with you guys tomorrow on harvest day. All right, day 44. In true fashion, of course I broke my microphone. We're up here at the garage. The final destination. We'll start harvesting here in about a half hour or so. We got it set up all ready to go. Still debating on whether or not process mainly because they take that stuff down sometimes. So I kind of want this to be family friendly little deal. So yeah, everyone's looking good. Did test one out yesterday, so everything's running and operating as it should. So say goodbye to your little buddies. They're going in the freezer today. Yeah, so that's a wrap on backyard chickens, pasture poultry method. You can tell it's pretty simple. Today is a turning point. Obviously we're harvesting, but you can do this yourself. Pay a processor to do it. In an area like me, there's actually a hammer for USDA certified, who charge small fees per bird. You can have people actually come here and process it on site. That's might be an option we do in the future. If we ever do more of these, I may look into that. Or you can rent the equipment. So hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next year, next year's harvest.